Okay, I'm here with
Aidan Augustine, the CEO of Feather.
Guy Robusto, the CIO of Feather.
And Neil Ormsby, the CTO of Feather.
nice to meet you guys. And for those who don't know, please explain what Feather is.
Feather is a smartphone application streamlining the business context information exchange. So in the place of business cards, which you have to give to people and take home, sort through, manually type in the information, we're replacing that with a seamless digital sharing experience right from my smartphone to yours.
What's one walk-away feature of your app? So say someone goes ahead and hears about Feather through your website or through your Twitter, and one feature that you're really pushing for them to remember.
Everything's interactive, so it's not just a business card they have to look at and do something with later. Everything automatically will sync with your information in your phone, with your computer, in your Outlook. It's one click to call, text, or email, one click to do anything. It's actionable, is the word I would say.
Very easily actionable. And it encourages people who use it to be better networkers.
What makes you different from other apps in the communication niche like CardMunch and apps of that nature?
So CardMunch is focused just on the intake of business cards. They let you, snap a picture and they'll strip out the info and stick it in your phone. However, we're focused on sharing. So you can create and exchange this beautiful interactive digital business card and share it, give it to other people, and they're more likely therefore to act upon your information and follow up. So that's the biggest difference between us and CardMunch. And the other ones, Bump and CardFlick and CardCloud, those are the three other main players in the space. They all require both parties to have the app installed ahead of time. So a big feature of ours is that you can share it to anybody on any platform, even if they've never even heard of Feather before.
So how's the Innovation Hub benefited your company's development? It's a new type of building. The whole idea is kind of like an incubation type of thing. So
We got a place to stay and work. It's better than just working on a ping pong table. They also have a bunch of really cool, big, important people coming through, so it's honestly more about the networking than anything else.
That's true. The exposure is good. We've had a chance to meet a lot of people there. Several venture capital firms and law firms in the building, so it's good to meet people like that. Just earlier today, I mentioned to you before we started this, there was a congressman that came through for the breakfast, the networking breakfast, and things like that. So it's just really good opportunities for exposure and to have resources and contacts, and more than for the technical side of us is to meet mentors and other software developers who've done this before and can help us along the way.
Especially being 21 years old, we never would meet these professional, experienced people in the wild, so to speak. So being here, we have that chance.
But what else makes up an entrepreneur in your mind?
That's a good one for Aidan, but
well, like you said, I think the biggest one is just the willingness to take the leap, because a lot of smart, talented people in the world don't have the confidence or don't have the vision to work towards something. Kind of like Gabriel said before, having something to work towards. So,
where can people find you if they're interested in learning more about Feather? Where can they find you on the internet?
Featherapp.com is the website. Feather without the second E.
Kind of like Tumblr, Flickr.
Yeah. Featherapp.com.
Alright guys, that's it. Great interview. Thank you for your time. Any last words you want to say?
Stay soaring.
oh,
Cheesy.
Alright.
you get any cheese in it?